at Panyula village under Lyngiong Lyngdohship. This place is about 30 kilometers from Shillong. It is between Shillong to Mswsynram Road. This is the flag that we have put here to showcase the beautiful places that are there in Lyngiong Lyngdohship. So we invite and welcome the tourists from different parts of the state, outside the state, and even from outside the country to come and visit, to witness with your own eyes the beautiful places that are there in our area. At the same time, we request all our friends who would like to visit our places to kindly take along with you our local youth to lead and guide you to visit all these places. So this is our request. Once again, we welcome, we invite friends, kindly come and visit our places, and you will witness the beautiful scenery that you will see with your own eyes when you will go and visit these different places. So with this report, thank you.